as always, we're starting off with the eyes, and that is the P. Louise base in Roma 0. Into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, I am taking my first 3 shades, which is Destiny, Untamed, and Edge. Destiny and Untamed is going in my crease area, and Edge is going to be the transition shade. Into the video, why not subscribe to the channel? Because obviously you like what I'm doing, so hit that red button and subscribe. Cutting the crease with more of the P. Louise base Roma 2. To the Subculture palette, and I am taking the shade Electric and I'm adding it to half of my lid. That is a Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking that green shade and I'm adding it to the other half of my lid. I'm going to be mixing Untamed and Rhodey, which is like a deep plum color, to make my inner V area a little bit darker. Y'all already know this is my holy grail, the Essex Super Last Black Matte Liquid Liner. I can't find these liners anywhere anymore in any Ulta that I go to. I don't know if it's discontinued, but if you find it, please let me know. base is on, hopping onto the lower lash line, I am taking Untamed and Edge and I'm smudging that onto my lower lash line.
Gray sweatpants with black pants. That's right, but I'm sorry.
He had on gray sweatpants and a black shirt.
Yeah.
Y'all already know it's the Fenty mascara, my holy grail, period. Essex Volume Booster for Lash Primer. These lashes are 20mm lashes from my local beauty supply store. Period.
Mother,
What?
you are the proud owner of a son who made high on the road.
Juvia's Place for the blush. Makeup Revolution's Highlight and Set the Tone. This is new to the channel. Sponsored by Jackie Aina and Anastasia in the inner corner. For the lips, that is my Ruby Kiss dark brown lip liner. Y'all already know this is my holy grail for all of my nude lips. Pick a Pill NYX Lip Tease Lip Lacquer on the lips. And that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.